Please write on top expanded notation. Expanded notation, and hopefully the title, children, hopefully the title is a quick way for you to remember what this actually does or is. You know, if you don't, you have to look back in your notes. Sometimes I think we fool ourselves into believing we know something that we don't. Most of us think we're smarter than we actually are. That's the reason why we like to do stuff without showing our work, because we think we're capable of it. And then, heaven forbid, we get like 10 wrong on our assignment just because we're kind of lazy on that. The word expand means to, there you go, get bigger. And notation is just the way you write something. So, unfortunately for you, expanded notation means you write something in a bigger form. And it's something you'll do a little bit of, but it does help you a little bit. For example, here's an example from the book. Write 27,000 in expanded notation. In which case, if you're writing this on your paper, believe it or not, you start off with the 27,000 on your paper. And what expanded notation is, it's simply a way of showing place value, because this 2, because of where it's at, means more than just 2, like I'm holding up 2 fingers. If I have a 2 in this place, which is the 10,000ths place, it doesn't mean just 2 like this, it means 2 10,000ths. So expanded notation means you do this. You say, you take each number and break it apart for what it really means. This 2 means you have 2 times 10,000. Okay, the 7, because it's in the place where it is, you then add that 2 times 10,000 to the 7, which is in what place? The thousands place. This, because the rest of the zeros, you don't have to do 0 times 100 or 0 times 10 or 0 times whatever. This right here is what we affectionately call expanded notation. And again, note how it does look bigger than what we started off with. Oh, I forgot. The fun is just beginning. I remember this section from before. Yay! It's a good time. A good time for a good day to have a parent-teacher conference. So here's another for example. Let's say you have 1,760. 1,760. If you're writing it in expanded notation, there is a 1 in the thousands place. Make sure you put those parentheses in there. To that, I'm adding a 7 in the what place? 100ths place. To that, I'm adding a 6 in the tens place. And I don't have to put the ones place there, but if I did, it would be whatever times 1. Here, children, is expanded notation. I'm going to give you one, and then we have to talk a little bit more. I can tell you're excited about that. How about, I calm down, kids. 8,050. Please, 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 you right now jot me down what that would be like in expanded notation. In expanded notation. Should not be terribly long or difficult or drawn out. Anybody care to venture / speculate what 8,050 written out in expanded notation? Andrew?
8 times 1,000.
8 times 1,000 plus
5 times 10.
5 times 10. Everybody on board with what Andrew's got happening there?
Yeah.
Now, if you don't, please come ask. Now, not only do you need to be able to go from expanded or this to this, we got to go backwards. By the way, this form we call standard notation, mostly because it's the standard way we write stuff. You then, ladies and gentlemen, need to go from this 8 times 1,000 plus 6 times 10 plus 5 times 1. You need to be able to go from expanded to standard. Now let me tell you this, children, only because I've gone around the block multiple times on this. Write this down. The one thing you need to understand is this. You must put blanks for digits. And you won't know what that means until I tell you, but I want you to highlight this because usually I say this 1,000 times, and there are children who just are so stubborn-headed they won't do it. What that means is this, boys and girls. I start with this number right here. I know there is an 8 in what place? That 8 is in what place, Victoria? The thousands place. So I write my 8 down, and this is the part you need to do. If there's an 8 in the thousands place, there needs to be 3 digits after that 8, because if there's not 3 digits in that after the 8, that 8's not in the thousands place, and your answer will not be right. Sounds like a winner to you, sounds like a winner to me. So, I know there is a 6 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. Guess what has to happen in that blank that has nothing?
0.
Yes. And quite often when people don't put blanks, they'll just write 865, and that's not 8,665, that's 865, and they get it wrong. So blanks, ladies and gentlemen, blanks, 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 blanks. How about one more? 5 times 10,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 9 times 10. You could go from expanded form to standard form. I would appreciate that. What does that look like? I'm going to start by putting down a 5. What will be my next step then, Sammy? How many blanks? If this 5 is in the 10,000th place, how many blanks do I need after it?
3.
Remember, this is a good indication, all of these. If it's only 3 after that puts 5 in the thousands place. It has to be 5 in the 10,000th place. Whoops. Got a little carried away with my comments. 5 in the 10,000th place. There must be something in the 1,000th place, the 100th, the 10th, and 1. This 4 is in the hundreds place. This 9 is in the
Tens.
and then bam, and bam. I think you're ready to go out on your own.
Yes. We're ready to leave the nest.
Yes, you are. Here we go. The granddaddy of them all. Let's do this one. 632. Oh wait, sorry. I did that wrong. I gotta give you the expanded form. Let's not even do 6 anymore. Let's do 7 times 100,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 7 times 1. Go ahead and do that for your teacher as best you can. See if we get some sort of the correct answer. Marcia? I assume if you're looking up, you're all done there? Perfect. Now, one small thing before we go to the answer here. Please put your pencils down just for a second here. Please, I would like for you to stand if you did not do this and put blanks down. Stand up if you don't have blanks on your paper. Neighbor check your neighbors, look for those blanks. Now, wait, Colin does have blanks or doesn't? Wait, you don't? Well then stand.
No, I do have one.
Oh. Andrew, you don't have blanks? Andrew, which part of my lawn drawn out must put blanks for digits that you did not make it up to the nerve center up there?
You didn't write down.
I'm just asking. I just want to make sure that you know. You see what I'm up against, people? Alright, enough of that. So, what's it look like? There's an 8 in the 1,000 place. There's a 3 in the hundreds place, and there's a 7 in the ones place. That gives you zeros as such. Correct?
Oh, yeah.
Everybody get that right? Alright, for tomorrow, lesson 32.